70 decibels on Blacktop Road, which is normally just silent in my other cars. Going 55 miles per hour in a Fiat 500 Pop. And we think the rear bearings are shot, so we're going to replace those today.